Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, where machines learn, think, and act like humans. Whether you're completely new to AI or just want to understand it better, this video will take you through everything in simple, easy to understand terms. So, let's dive in and discover how AI is already changing our lives and what the future might hold. Have you ever wondered how Alexa understands your voice, or how self-driving cars work? It's all thanks to something called artificial intelligence, or AI. In this video, we'll break down what AI is, what it can do, the different types, and how it actually works in simple terms. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is all about making machines think and act like humans. It allows computers to understand language, recognize images, make decisions, and even learn from experience. Think of it as giving a computer a brain, one that can solve problems, play games, and help doctors diagnose diseases. Now, what can artificial intelligence do? AI is already helping us in many ways, like recommending movies you might like, filtering spam emails, recognizing faces in photos, and even driving cars without a human behind the wheel. It can also predict weather, detect fraud, translate languages, and much more. Now that we understand what artificial intelligence is, let's take a look at its three main types, each one more advanced than the last. The most common type of AI today is narrow AI, or weak AI. It's designed to do one specific task really well, like playing chess, translating text, or unlocking your phone with your face. But it doesn't truly understand anything, it just mimics intelligence for that one job. Then there's general artificial intelligence, or strong AI, which is still theoretical. This kind of AI would be able to think and learn like a human across many areas. Imagine an AI that can write poetry, fix a car, and teach math all by itself. We haven't built this yet, but scientists are working on it. And finally, there's superintelligent AI, a level where AI becomes smarter than the best human minds in every field. It could invent new technology, solve global crises, or even design better AI than itself. This is still science fiction, but if we ever reach it, we'll need to be very careful about how we use it. Now let's look at how AI actually works. Scientists use different methods to build smart systems, kind of like different tools in a toolbox. Each one helps AI do something special. Technique number 1: rule-based systems. Imagine you're playing a board game where someone gives you exact rules to follow, like, if it rains, carry an umbrella. That's what rule-based AI does. It follows instructions written by humans. It's like a recipe, step by step. For example, if your phone battery drops below 20%, it shows a low battery warning. It's simple and predictable but can't learn or handle new situations. Technique number 2 is search algorithms. Have you ever used Google Maps to find the fastest way somewhere? That uses search algorithms. They help AI explore many options and pick the best one. These algorithms are like detectives trying to solve a mystery. They try different paths until they find the solution. This technique is great for puzzles, games, and planning, but is slower when there are too many choices. Technique number 3 is machine learning. Machine learning is like teaching a kid by showing them lots of examples. Instead of writing rules, we give the AI data and it learns from that data on its own. For instance, if we show it thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, it can learn to tell the difference between them. It learns from experience and adapts over time, but it needs lots of data, sometimes hard to understand. Technique number 4 is deep learning. Deep learning is a powerful type of machine learning that uses artificial brains called neural networks. These are made of layers, just like the human brain, and each layer learns something more complex. This is how your phone recognizes your face or how YouTube recommends videos you might like. It's very good at understanding images, sounds, and text, but it needs tons of data and powerful computers. Technique number 5 is natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing, or NLP, helps machines understand and talk like humans. It powers chatbots, translators, and voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. It's like teaching a robot to read books and write poems, or just helping it understand when you say, "What's the weather today?" It makes machines easy to talk to but sometimes misunderstands context or slang. Technique number 6 is robotics and computer vision. When AI meets the real world, it uses robotics and computer vision. This lets machines see, move, and interact like self-driving cars or robots in factories. think of it as giving eyes and hands to AI so it can not only think but also act. It lets AI interact with the real world but is very complex, expensive, and needs safety checks. So to recap, AI isn't magic, it's smart software, trained to act like humans. Right now, most AI is narrow AI, doing one job well. But scientists are working toward general artificial intelligence and someday maybe even superintelligent AI. And all these artificial intelligence systems use different techniques, from simple rules to brain-like networks, to get their jobs done. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, AI isn't just the future. It's already here.